Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be doing, as you can see, my setup is a little bit different because I really wanted to do a talk through, and if I was supposed to do it elsewhere it would have been a little bit too noisy for my liking. So yeah, I'm gonna be doing a simple-ish get ready with me. I'm going on the beach just to chill. It's evening time and it's Sunday, just walla vibes a little bit with the fam bam. Yeah, go walla little vibes, and yeah, so I just wanted to get a little dollar. Plus, I really wanted to do this unboxing on camera. I received my BoxyCharm subscription box for the month of May. Now, yeah, May done, yeah. But yeah, I decided to go ahead and get this up because I did receive this box late. Not my fault at all, but I got this box late. I haven't got one of these in a while. So it says BoxyCharm on the front. It has a little label in there from the shipping company. I use Deliver My Package, by the way, to get all my packages here in Jamaica. It makes things way less challenging after you get your packages delivered to you. So you can go ahead and check them out. You can sign up for free as well. So yeah, I'll put the link to that in the description box if you're interested. All right, so when you open the box, it says BoxyCharm. And by the way, if you're wondering, BoxyCharm is basically a subscription service, where you get monthly subscription boxes. So it's only $21 a month, and you basically get like 4 to 5 products in the box, like high-end brands, and the total worth of the box is at least $100 US. So I feel like for a $21 monthly subscription service, that's pretty cool, and you get really cool products inside. They're full-size products, by the way, not little sachets and stuff. You get the actual size product, so that's really good. So I've been with BoxyCharm for a while. It's just that I haven't done an unboxing here on my channel for a minute. So yeah, when I open the box, this is a foam thing is in there to make sure that nothing gets broken, and it says Hello Charmer on the front here. This is what you see when you open it. That's a little card that it comes with. It basically is telling you about all the products that you receive in the box, and what they're good for, stuff like that. These are what I got this month in my box. So let's just go ahead and jump right into it. All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and start with my makeup. So the first thing I'm gonna pull for is this. So I see where I got a Cover FX blurring primer. It says this is basically good for blurring. It instantly minimizes the appearance of pores and the fine lines to create a super smooth, flawless airbrushed look. And I do like these primers because, as it says, it kind of fill in any pores or lines that you may have. That's how it looks. So I'm just gonna go ahead and that's all I'm gonna take. That's the amount I'm gonna take for my face. And I like to use this brush to just run everything, balance everything on my face, like diffuse it properly. This is from Stelazzi. This is a duo fiber large powder brush. So I'm gonna take my finger and pat it into my smile lines, because you guys know I am not a big fan of how deep these lines go. So as you can see, this have a little like white cast. So this is also like a try on of what is inside my BoxyCharm for this month, not just a straight talking video, so a little bit more interesting. So I see how the products actually work. All right, so for the next product, oh, I got some brushes in here as well. I didn't even realize I got 4 brushes, and these are from Aesthetica. These brushes, I got 3 brushes here. This is like the complete brow / wing liner set. I feel like it's the perfect combination because, okay, hold on, let me take these out, because you have a angled brush, a really thin liner brush, and a spoolie. Perfect. Really, for your brows you only need these 2, and a fluffy concealer brush to further blend. Oh, this would be nice for setting under my eye. I have 3 more products, so you see the box is empty. Let me go ahead and show you the eyeshadow palette first. This is from PUR Okay, this is from PUR Cosmetics, and it says it's a highlight and contour palette. Oh, cool. Oh, so you have like illuminators in there. So these are the shades that come in here. So I guess these are like illuminators and these are for contour purposes. And then I have a lip gloss. This is from Han Skincare Cosmetics. And this is, it says it's all natural lip gloss with antioxidants and vitamins. And the shade that I have right now is Raspberry Chardonnay. So I'm gonna try this for this look. And oh my gosh, when I took a peek in the box, you know, and I saw this and I was like, what is this? It reminded me of the olden days, like when you watch those old time movies and people would take the ink pen and dip it in the little ink thingy and write. Yes, I think that was very unique for this. It's very unique to this product. This is from it is from Pretty Vulgar. That's the name of the brand, Pretty Vulgar, and it is the ink gel liner and it's in black. I can't wait to use this. I'm gonna go ahead and start off with my face makeup, and then I go already just highlight. I'm taking my Sister Cosmetics PETITE-SUE Skin Perfecting Concealer in Golden Beige. I'm just gonna go in and set them. Setting the rest, well, balancing out the rest of my face with my face powder as usual. Nothing new. I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna try out this contour kit from PUR Cosmetics. Ooh, I'm gonna use this really soft brush I have from, well, Stilazi Cosmetics, and this is angle brush. It just says angle brush. I'm gonna go into this here. Has a mirror too, really convenient. I'm gonna go in with Inventor because Founder look a little bit too dark. So this is Inventor, this is Founder. So I'm gonna go in with Inventor. It's a bit gray. It's not the warmest, but it can work. You know? This is as far as I take my contour. I never take it all the way down. I feel like the contour palette is okay. It's not like it didn't come off chalky at all. It didn't come off patchy. So I feel like the consistency is pretty cool. It's pigmented. It's just that I wish it was a little bit warmer. It's on the grayer side. It's time to move on to the eyes. I'm gonna go back into the contour kit for my transition. Actually, I don't think I want to go for like a dramatic look or anything. It's just the beach that I'm going, you know, just to chill. So definitely nothing dramatic. So I'm gonna take the same Inventor in my crease and I just brush that back and forth. And I'm using the Stilazi large blender brush. I'm just building this shade up a tad. I'm just gonna go in for a nice wing liner because I really want to try out this gel liner that I got from Pretty Vulgar. I'm gonna take my Stilazi small angle liner brush. It's so deep, like it's so big. This thing holds a lot of product. Like you really can't even sit down in there. Like the consistency is very waxy. I like that. Oh wow, that's dark. Guys, I'm gonna have to give this liner a full-on 10. It's perfect. It is very, very pigmented. It's like the darkest black gel liner I've ever used. It's really good. It's consistency really smooth. It's thick. It's waxy. I love it. It's drying down matte. It's beautiful. I'm not gonna do anything else to the eyes. Yeah, just gonna go ahead and spray my face. I'm gonna go ahead and try out the highlighter in the contour palette. I'm gonna go for Trailblazer because it looks it's way more golden than this one, which is Originator. So yeah, so I'm taking my Gabriella Cosmetics. It's like a medium powder brush. It's not bad at all. Let me say, okay, the consistency of this highlighter, Like there was a little fallout for my liking, but it has a glow that I can work with. You know, the glow isn't bad at all, but I would have loved for it to be a little bit more golden. It's nice, but it's not, you know, as golden as I would like it to be for my skin tone, if that makes sense. So I'm gonna go over that a little bit with my Artist Couture. Okay, I break the rules a lot when it come on to these fusion lashes, because I remember in the first video where I was wearing them, somebody said, oh, because I know you're not supposed to apply mascara to those lashes. I just couldn't help it, and I still can't. I'm gonna apply a little bit to the lower portion of my lashes, not the top portion because I don't really need to, but the lower portion get messed up with concealer and powder. Like, I don't know if I'm gonna do lower portion again just because of this issue. I'm gonna just stick with my natural lashes down there, because I can't bother with the stress. I'm just gonna comb through the top ones. But surprisingly, I've managed to really, you know, keep up with these lashes. I stayed away from getting these lashes for like ever, because I was always afraid that I wouldn't be able to maintain them, but I feel like I've been managing them okay, you know, so far, except for the whole lower lash portion. Mascara is always there, but like the top portion, they be keeping up really nicely. Save some time for me in terms of applying, you know, falsies. Now it's time for lips, and I'm going to try out the gloss that I received, which is from Han Skincare Cosmetics. I'm gonna line my lips a little bit. I'm gonna take my Jordana lip liner in brown suede. Okay, and as I said before, this is Raspberry Chardonnay. I went pretty thick on the liner just because, no reason really. Ah, this has a really nice smell to it, and as you can see, this has a pinkish, you know, tone. It reminds me of cake batter. That's how it smells. Doesn't have a taste. It's nice, but the consistency, I wish it was glossier. I don't know if you understand what I mean, but like glossier. Yeah, like it's pretty thin. The consistency feels a little, it's not like super thin, but it feels a little, you know, it's a bit thinner than what I'm used to. So I wish it was thicker and glossier. So as a result of that, I am definitely going to layer on some of my Victoria's Secret Lip Plumper gloss. And this is just the regular clear one that I'm always using. So I'll have to get a new one soon. Yeah, so I'm happy I could incorporate these products that I received today in this look. I'm very excited. It's always very exciting to receive new makeup. I hope I didn't bore you. Hope you enjoyed it. I know I said that a lot, and people are always like, ah, come on, you don't bore us, you know. Just have to, you know, say it, because I really don't know. For the most part, I am happy with the products that I got. Just would like for just a few of them to have like minor tweaks, you know. But yeah, that's it. I'll put the link to BoxyCharm down in my description box if you guys are interested in going ahead and subscribing. Yeah, it's a cool makeup subscription, monthly makeup subscription, so you guys can go ahead and check it out if you're into makeup like that. But yeah, I must tell you guys, I appreciate the support. I have to remind you that I really do. Means a lot. We are currently at 349k here on my main channel. Almost at 350. 400 before the year is out. That's the goal, and you know, on the road to 1 million, you know. Yeah. Don't forget to go ahead and check out my vlog channel as well. I, you know, post vlogs over there whenever, you know, exciting stuff are going on and stuff like that. Yeah, so check that out. That's it. That's all I have to say for now. So I'll see you guys in my next video. So until next time, I'm your girl Petite. Bye.